Welcome to the run of me, Nubia with Magic 7, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings and then let's tap on the sound section. After that, click here to default notification sound. Now we have selected the jingle and we can select one from this available default ringtones. You can use your device local music if you have just some downloaded music from the internet, but how to do that, you should just find another video on our HardReset YouTube channel. I'll show you just how to select one from these default sounds. For example, we use this one, then just tap here to OK, and now we can see here that we just successfully changed notification sound on our Nubia device. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.